I don't give a fuck!
What's up, guys? Squink here, back with another video. Doing a shorter one today. Not feeling too spiffy, but I'm here. I'm here for you. I do these videos every single day. Everyone wants to know what the hell are the cops doing, so I'm here to hopefully answer that question, whatever else pops up. In today's video, which comes from Police Activity, Ohio fugitive arrested for the 29th time after crashing in a pursuit. Never seen it, walking in blindly. Here we go.
Come on. Go ahead, Billy.
Copy. We're down to 40, still southbound. He's weaving all over the right side of the road.
Oh my
God. Going through the field now.
Watch
through
out.
the field now.
48 headquarters pursuit. 48.
Oh wow. They've got the glasses body cam. They like clip on the glasses.
Headquarters pursuit. King Henry 8716. King Henry 8716. It's gonna be a black Kia. Passing armor. Speeds are 105.
He's making it all right.
Eastbound on 224.
Alright, we're going to be continuing 22. We're going to be heading down 14. 14 is going to be south. 14 south.
Just threw a tire iron at me. Just threw a tire iron at me.
Wait, I missed that. What?
14 south.
Just threw a tire iron at me. Just threw a tire iron at me.
Okay.
We just entered Smith Township's jurisdiction, just past over 12. Continuing south on 14. Continuing south, just past.
So I guarantee you his adrenaline is pumping.
Let's go. Speeds are 110.
48 headquarters. See if OSB has any units with spike strips to stop this thing.
Yep, be coming up to 165, speeds are 100, track to 0. Headquarters, Goshen and Salem. Guys, be careful with this bridge up ahead. Be careful with the bridge.
What kind of car is that?
Southbound. We're into Salem. We're into Salem.
85 going through town. Wow.
I'm behind you,
Oh,
Todd.
he's slowing down now.
Copy. We're going westbound. Westbound onto West State.
Remember,
Westbound onto West State.
in these pursuits, they gotta take the totality of everything. The traffic conditions, weather conditions, whether or not they continue the pursuit. And they gotta weigh, is the apprehension of the suspect worth the potential danger to the public if we keep this pursuit going?
So past that creek, speed is 90, traffic light.
He's searching all over around the front. He just threw a chocolate milk at me.
OSP is trying to lay down spike strips in Damascus by Farmer's Bank.
534.
Chocolate milk is deadly force. I don't care what you say.
He just got hit with spike strips and so did I.
Dude, come on. You could have avoided those.
He just got
By Farmer's Bank.
534.
Okay, so here they are. Here's the officer. Yeah, he couldn't have. There's a sign right there. I don't know what the officer who deployed those strips was thinking. I don't know why. First of all, I don't know why the officer didn't slow down so this guy could pull the stop sticks off the roadway. That was kind of sloppy.
He just got hit with spike strips and so did I. Take over. I just lost both driver's side tires.
So the way those stop sticks work slowly deflates the air out of the tires over time rather than all at once like traditional spike strips that just blow up the tires.
Don't you have to stop?
I am.
Going to throw things at us from the car. Still southbound.
Hey, be careful. That was a knife you threw out.
Field now.
Watch
Through
out.
the field now.
Watch yourself. I'm not going to eject him yet. He's reaching.
He's coming to a stop. He's ready for the field.
Hold on.
Get on the fucking ground! Get on the fucking ground! Get on the...
I don't give a fuck! Oh, you're such a big...
Oh man, why didn't we get the full trash talking there at the end?
I don't give
What a good guy.
a fuck!
Wow, look at those eyes. Holy smokes. Alright, give the police a B. B plus, A. I mean, they got him, so A. Shorter one today. Like I said, not feeling too spiffy. But I'm showing up every day for you guys, and I'm loving it. I will see you tomorrow for tomorrow's video. Bye. Have a great start of the week. Bye.